up guys? Ito po ang couple rides. Guys, meron na naman pong tropang nagyaya. So, guys, tara, samahan niyo po kami sa rides namin ni Wifey ngayon.
2 moments later.
Rides na po tayo. Sana po tayo sa kalupaan ni nanay. Ayan po guys, dito na po kami sa medyo tuktok na po. So, ayan po, dito po Montalban, Rizal. Alright guys, ito po yung sinasabi nilang Mount Oro. So yan po raw yung inaakit ng mga biker at ng mga riders na naka-enduro. So try po natin akitin ng Click 125. So guys, tara, panoorin nyo po. Alright, nakakyat po tayo sa tuktok. Nice. Ayan po, sumunod po yung kasama ko. Ayan po. Grabe, ganda pala dito. Sulit yung akyat. Grabe. Ganda. Diba? Sulit yung punta. Ganda. Right, ba na po tayo. Tignan po natin kung i-semplang tayo pababa. Huwag na po sana. God. Layan niyo po ako. Ayan po. Grabe. Chillax. Handaan lang po tayo. Ayan po, dumulas na po tayo agad. Another na naman. Tapos stop over, lubak-lubak uli. Limang bundok pa. Ayan po guys, grabe. Dala natin Click 125. So dito natin masusubukan si Click 125. Ayan. Problema lang po nito yung pag-uwi. Grabe, ang haba ng
paano masabi?
Oras gugugulin natin sa rock road. Dun po yung sapato. Okay. Alright. Paahon uli. Kadalawang bundok na po kami. So 5 bundok daw po yan. So siguro pangatlong bundok stop over po ulit. Po, kung makikita nyo po, ayun po, yung daan na yun. Doon pa po kami pupunta. Sa likod pa po ng bundok na yan. So guys, kaya pa. Chill.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
Alright guys, ito po yung sinasabi nilang Mount Lubog po. So, ayun pa, sikat na raw po itong summit na to. So, hindi natin kaya akyatin po yan guys. Sabado at Linggo raw po, marami ditong nagpupunta. Yan, maraming turistang pumupunta po, inaakyat po yung bundok na yan. So, ayan po. Di po natin kaya akyatin yan. So, hanggang video na lang po tayo. So, ayan, Mount Lubog po. Dito po sa Rizal. So, ang ganda po. Tapos, ayun po yung sinasabi nilang yung bato po na yon. Ayun, yung bato po na yon. Yun po yung sinasabi nilang simbahang bato. So, guys, siguro darating po yung panahon pag maganda na po yung daan dito mapupuntahan din po natin yung summit na yan. So, ayan po. Maghintay-hintay lang po tayo. Kung kakayanin pa po natin. Kung sa edad natin ito madagdagan pa. Malalaan po natin kung kakayanin po natin. So, ayan po guys. Tara, maligo na po tayo. Tingnan na po natin yung sinasabi nilang falls yung Blue Lagoon. So, guys, tara, samahan niyo po kami. Okay. Yan po yung mga kasama ko. So, sila po yung dinayo namin dito. So, alright guys, ayan, ang ganda po ng tubig So, magandang paliguan. Maliit lang po yung falls niya. Ayan. Pero, Ganda po ng tubig. Grabe. Grabe, malalim po yung banda ron. Malalim po dun. Masarap po ang lamig po ng tubig. Grabe, ayan. Tapos magduduyan kang gano'n. Ayan. So, sarap. Tara na po, mga kapantor. Maganda po, kaya lang sulit yung punta. Pero yung ira-rides po natin, yun, doon kayo malulungkot. Pero pag punta nyo po, sulit. Pwede pong overnight dito. Meron na po tayo lalapagan dito. Alright!
Ang galing naman. Nasa mababaw lang tayo.
Alright guys, bye-bye. Nakap na po kami. Okay na po. Uwi na po tayo. Bye-bye. Thanks po. Thanks.
2 hours later.
Guys, sa wakas natapos na rin yung rough road na aming binaybay pabalik. Okay, grabe, super sulit sa pinuntahan pero sulit din sa pagod. Alright. Oh my god, thank you Lord. Alright guys, so ayan po, dito po nagtatapos ang ating adventure rides. Ayan po, so guys, bye bye, salamat po.